I started this project out with a rough sketch. I wanted it to be an addition to the outdoor kitchen project I did last video. If you haven't seen that, check that out. So this one will be a quick video and about a half-day project. And so all the materials in this project will be salvaged from an old picket fence I removed. This would be a great project for someone just getting into woodworking, and it can be done with fairly simple tools. The 4x, and then fence pickets, and then I got 2x4s on this side. So this thing's gonna be completely salvaged. Biscuits, get that ball, get that joy. First injury. Always satisfying. So I'm currently renovating a mobile home at the moment, and my big 10-inch chop saw is there on site. So I'm stuck using this little guy for now, but I'm gonna make it work. I'll be using a pocket hole jig to join all my wood together. I'll share a link on Amazon for this kit. This is a nice kit. It has pretty much everything you need to get started. Being able to join two pieces of wood together allows you to build cabinets and outdoor kitchens. Would highly recommend that. So I'll be using these 2.5-inch outdoor Craig screws for outdoor applications. I'm using these scrap pieces of wood as jigs so that all my spacing between all my legs is exactly the same. And even though this is not like a fancy piece of furniture, I'm going to attempt to keep my legs square as possible. And I'm keeping my pocket holes all on the inside so they won't be seen. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to incorporate the grill, kind of building this thing as I go here. So this side has these brackets. This side doesn't have anything to support, so I don't know if I'm gonna have to build a bracket. I'm gonna start with the bottom first. So here I'm just gonna be notching out the sections for the legs. This here can be done more effectively with the jigsaw, but I didn't have one with me, so this is what I'm using. I decided to brace the grill with a 2x4, and if heat becomes an issue, I will add a piece of cement board to the inside of it, but for now I'm just doing it this way to get my measurements right. I'm just doing a quick scribe with my square to get a rough circle for my cutout. So I never have anywhere to put my lid when I take it off, so I'm building a mount to put my lid when it's not on my grill. I left one leg on the grill to give it support, and I'm going to screw it into the bottom. So I started with 100 grit sandpaper and then worked my way to 220. This wood does not sand grade, it leaves kind of a rough finish. It's fine for what it is and achieved the goal I was going for. Since this project's outside, I decided to go with an oil-based polyurethane. I figured it would cure a lot harder than any of the water-based stuff, and since this is outside, it's going to be seeing a lot of water, I figured the oil would do better outside. I ended up doing 4 coats, and I'll probably end up doing more if I need to, but it cured really hard. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know. If you didn't enjoy it, let me know. But either way, thanks for watching.